Good morning students. Today we will study about decimals. We have already studied about common fractions like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, 2 upon 10, 5 upon 11 and 35 upon 19. These are common fractions. Decimal fractions are similar as a common fractions having denominator 10, 100, thousands. For example, this is 1 upon 10, 3 upon 100, 41 upon 1000, 127 upon 1000, 5237 upon 10,000. These all are decimal fractions. If 1 upon 10, this stands for 1/10 of a unit. Like here, these are the 10 parts and we are considering here 1 as a colored part. So it will represent 1 upon 10. It is also written as a 0.1 and we read it 0.1. Ones is equals to 10 tenths. If a number is 3 upon 10, so it will be represent as a 0.3. Decimal numbers like 1 upon 10, 3 upon 10 or 5 upon 10, these are decimal fraction. But when we represent in numbers form, so 0.1, 0.3 and 0.5 are decimal number. 1/100th of a unit, that means here total 100 divisions are here and here 17 are the colored part. So it may be represent in form of 17 upon 100. So this is known as 1/100th part. It means 1 upon 100. It may be written as 0.01 and we read similar 0.01. 17 upon 100 can be represented in form of 0.17 and read it 0.17. 1/1000th of a unit, that means here should be a 1000 division and 1 is a colored part. So it can be represented as a 1 upon thousands, or it may be represented in decimal number 0.001. If a number is here 129 upon thousands, so it may be represented in a decimal number 0.129. The whole number and the decimal part as a combined maybe. Here 2 are the 2 whole part is colored and here 6 part is colored out of 10. So it may be written as 2 as a whole part and 0.6 is a decimal part. So it may be written 2 as a whole number and this is 6 upon 10. It can be represented in decimal number is 2.6. These number can be represented in place value chart. Here it is quite difference between the number system. It is in the middle, it is a decimal point. From left side is ones, tens, hundred and similar. And the right side it will 1 upon 10, that means it is tenths. 1 upon 100 place, that is hundredths place. And here 1 upon 1000 means thousand place. So if here a number is 13.742, so it may be represented in place value chart. First of all, we have to put the decimal here and 3 is a ones place and 1 is at the 10th place. Here 7 is at the 10th place, 4 is 100th place and 2 is at the 1000th place. Decimal number can be represented in form of expanded notation. We have studied earlier like 893 can be written as expanded form as 8 at the 100th place, so this is 800. 9 is at the 10th place, so it will 90, and 3 at the 1st place. So 893 can be represented as a 800 plus 90 plus 3. Similarly, if we write the 15.6, so it will 1 at the 10th place, so this is 10. 5 is at the place once, so it will 5. This is decimal place. So after this we have to write in the 10th place, so this will 6 upon 10. So in expanded form we can write it 10 plus 5 plus this will become 0.6. Take another example here, 29.34. So here it can be 2 at the 10th place, so it will 20. 9 is at the 1st place, so it will 9. After decimals it will 3 is at the 10th place, so this is 3 upon 10, and 4 is at the 100th place, so it will be 4 upon 100. So finally it can represent at a 20 plus 9 plus 0.3 plus 0.04.